channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. So today's video is a very quick DIY video on how to make a lip balm from a Happydent. So I hope you guys wouldn't have heard it before. So yes, I'm pretty excited for this video and also have experimented a bit and I succeeded. So that's why I thought why not share this recipe with you guys. So yes, those who are seeing my face for the very first time, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, we are really close to 8k subscribers, so I want you to subscribe if you haven't already and press the bell button to get notified whenever my video comes up. And yes, without further ado, we should just get started with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on my social media. So all of my handles of my social media is given in the description box below. So go follow me there. And yes, if you're about to try this DIY, then make sure to tag me or share with me the pictures of the same. And you can use the hashtag DIY with Bera and I'll be glad to feature you in my next video. So till then, take care guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.